Dear students, this is my fourth class of the neurotransmitter. Now, large molecule neurotransmitter or neuropeptides. Substance P. Substance P is a polypeptide containing 11 amino acids found in the intestine, various peripheral nerves, CNS. Probably the mediator at the first synapse in the pathway for pain transmission in the dorsal horn. It is responsible for action reflex. Opioid peptides. The brain and the gastrointestinal tract contains receptor that binds morphine. Among 20 endogenous opioid peptide, 4 are important. These are the met-enkephalin, leu-enkephalin, beta-endorphin, and dynorphin. In GI tract, it causes decreased motility. In CNS, the substantial dilation of Rolando, it causes the analgesic activity. Physiologic effect produced by the stimulation of opioid receptors. There is the three types of receptor: mu, kappa, and delta. Mu receptor causes analgesia, sedation, euphoria, respiratory depression, constipation. It causes the increased secretion of the growth hormone and prolactin. Kappa receptor is responsible for the analgesia, sedation, dysphoria, and diuresis and meiosis. And delta receptor, it is responsible for analgesia. Other polypeptides. Somatostatin. It is inhibitory neurotransmitter. In hypothalamus, it acts as growth hormone inhibitory hormone. In pancreas, it inhibits secretion of insulin. In GI tract, it is important inhibitory regulator of intestine. Then calcitonin G related peptide, CGRP. It is a product of calcitonin gene. It is present in CNS, PNS, GI tract, cardiovascular system, urogenital system. It causes vasodilatation. Applied. Release of calcitonin G related peptide from trigeminal nerve may contribute to pathophysiology of migraine. Neuropeptide Y, found throughout the brain and ANS. In brain, it causes the increased food intake and that causes the obesity. Purine and pyrimidine transmitter, ATP. It is co-released from synaptic vesicle such as with norepinephrine, and it mediates rapid synaptic response in autonomic nervous system. Cannabinoid, not stored in vesicle. Two types endogenous cannabinoid acts as neurotransmitters. 2-arachidonyl glycerol. Two type of the endogenous cannabinoid act as the neurotransmitter. Number one is the 2-arachidonyl glycerol and anandamide. Both acts on central pain pathway as anti-nociceptive agents. Now nitric oxide. released by the endothelium of blood vessel as endothelium derived relaxing factor EDRF, is also produced in the brain. Synthesis from arginine formation of the NO occurs by action of the nitric oxide synthase. It is here the subtype is the N type, NNOS. We know that the three subtype of the nitric oxide synthesis, that is ENOS, endothelial NOS, NNOS, that is the nervous NOS, nerve tissue NOS, and the IUNOS, immune NOS. It is a gas which crosses cell membrane with ease and binds directly to guanylyl cyclase. Not stored in vesicle, synthesized on demand at presynaptic site, triggering by NMDA receptor, and this causes the increased influx of the calcium, and that causes the activation of the neuronal NOS. Play a role in synaptic plasticity, thus learning and memory.